Hi friends, this is Bijeeta here once again. Today in this video I'll show you the procurement alternative. First of all, let us understand the concept of procurement alternative. So before we do deep dive into the topic, let us discuss few points that till that we know the concept of production versions. We know the concept of material costings. If you don't know, then I'll share those links in my description box below. So we know the concept of production version, that is the production version is nothing but the processes which can be used in order to produce a material, in order to produce a product. So now there can be many processes can be used using a single product. There can be many of the processes available in order to produce a single product. So those many processes are known as the production versions. So that thing you already know. I do have a video already available on my channel. If you don't know, then I'll share that link in my description box below. Now today's topic is the procurement alternative. Now what is meant by the procurement alternative? Procurement alternative is nothing but the alternatives that we have in order to produce a material. Now those alternatives will be dependent upon the production version that we have created. Means in production version we do define what all processes can be used in order to produce a material, and in procurement alternatives we do create the alternatives can be used in order to produce a material based on the production versions. Means procurement alternative is dependent upon the production version. So that is by mechanism, that is by SAP mechanism. Now I'll first of all tell you how the procurement alternatives, what is the concept of procurement alternatives. So say I'm going to office. Okay, so this is one of my process. Okay, now in order to achieve that process, means in order to go to the in order to reach to my office, I do have many options available. Now what all can be the options? That can be bus, that can be train, that can be walk. So these three options are known as the procurement alternatives, because I do have these three alternatives available in order to achieve my process. So I'll show them in SAP. I'm going to create a procurement alternative. CK91 is my transaction through which I can create my procurement alternative. Now I'll give my material and plant here given. I'll just press enter. Now see, it is giving me two options. I can create the procurement alternative using the BOM routing, using the production version. I have created the production version for this material and plant only. So I'll choose my production version, because in my production version only I have defined these two processes. One was the two processes to produce the pen material. One was the automatic process, another one was the manual process. So I had two processes. Now I'll define the two alternatives here. Now mixed costing, in mixed costing tab I have given the lot size 1. Now I'll pick up my processes here. I'll pick up my production versions here. Production version is picked up. So now if we save, this alternative will be saved. Now we are understanding that in production version we have created the processes through which the through which the finished product can be produced. Now here in the procurement alternative I am creating my combinations. What is that combination? Plant, material and production version. These three together will define a combination, and thus it is a alternative. it is a alternative being created. Again, I'll create another alternative using the same material and plant and a different production version which has already been created earlier. So these three together will create multiple alternatives, and all of them alternatives will be known as the procurement alternatives. So that is the SAP mechanism. Now I had given my material plant and I had given my production version which has just been created. Now I'll save this one. Procurement alternative has been created. Fine. Now again I'll create another alternative, that is material given, plant given. I'll pick up another process, that is the manual process. Thus these three again will create is creating a combination and will create another alternative. Another alternative is also been created. So fine. So these two alternatives have been created. Now these two alternatives are known as the procurement alternative. Now let me go to display and show you how these got created. So I am giving my plant here. I'll just press enter. See, these two alternatives are being displayed here successfully. So that's the concept, that's the mechanism, that's the theory. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. In my next video, I will come up with a new topic, that is the mixing ratio master data creation. So that video will be uploaded soon, and once that is uploaded, I'll share the link in my description box below as well. So if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. So till I upload the next video, please keep watching the channel. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.